you like the content on our YouTube channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, turn on the notifications, and we'll post daily incoming inventory of our new arrivals. Follow us on social media, join our WhatsApp group. That's the fastest way to find out what new vehicles we have coming in. Right now you're looking at a Jeep Grand Cherokee Trackhawk with front end collision damage. The unit starts and drives. Let's take a quick look under the hood. Engine compartment is in good shape. Nothing broken on the front of the motor. You need the radiator condenser. Front frame rail has some damage here. That disconnected, the bumper bracket disconnected from the frame rail there, so that needs to be replaced. So there is some frame damage, but not into the motor. It's the most expensive component on this vehicle. These parts are interchangeable. You can buy a used front clip from a junkyard for a regular Jeep Grand Cherokee, and it interchanges with this one. The hood looks good on it, the fenders look good. Pretty clean from the doors back. Take a look inside. You have two forward bags that are blown, knee airbag that's blown, seat airbags are intact, Trackhawk, panoramic roof, curtain bags look okay. Interior is in good shape, nice and clean. Take a look at the damage again. See the frame rail is buckled right there. There also is going to be replaced. You do a frame section on this pretty easily. They're not that hard. Some damage to the wheel. Still a good builder for somebody. The value on these vehicles are tremendous right now. Anyway, we'll post photos on the website soon. Thanks for watching.